Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I yawn a lot.
I yawn a lot.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I hang my clothes.
I hang my clothes.
I scratch my head.
I scratch my head.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I switch on the light.
I switch on the light.
I open the door.
I open the door.
I lie on the bed.
I lie on the bed.
I switch off the fan.
I switch off the fan.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I close the window.
I close the window.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I meet my teacher.
I meet my teacher.
I greet my friends.
I greet my friends.
I sit in class.
I sit in class.
I listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
I answer questions.
I answer questions.
I learn new things.
I learn new things.
I play football.
I play football.
I run fast.
I run fast.
I jump high.
I jump high.
I share my toys.
I share my toys.
I ride a bike.
I ride a bike.
I play with friends.
I play with friends.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
I laugh loudly.
I laugh loudly.
I throw the ball.
I throw the ball.
I have fun.
I have fun.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I sit at the table.
I sit at the table.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I chew my food.
I chew my food.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I say thank you.
I say thank you.
I say sorry.
I say sorry.
I speak politely.
I speak politely.
I tell the truth.
I tell the truth.
I respect elders.
I respect elders.
I help others.
I help others.
I keep things clean.
I keep things clean.
I follow rules.
I follow rules.
I wait my turn.
I wait my turn.
I smile always.
I smile always.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
I feel thirsty.
I feel thirsty.
I feel angry.
I feel angry.
I feel scared.
I feel scared.
I feel proud.
I feel proud.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
I feel outside.
I feel outside.
I feel back home.
I feel back home.
I open my bag.
I open my bag.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I draw pictures.
I draw pictures.
I sing a song.
I sing a song.
I dance happily.
I dance happily.
I watch cartoons.
I watch cartoons.
I read stories.
I read stories.
I help my mother.
I help my mother.
I help my father.
I help my father.
I take care of my toys.
I take care of my toys.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I feed the pet.
I feed the pet.
I organize my books.
I organize my books.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I say good night.
I say good night.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I sleep early.
I sleep early.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I dream sweet dreams.
I dream sweet dreams.
I rest well.
I rest well.
I wake up fresh.
I wake up fresh.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.